Self-directed learning. A guide. This presentation outlines a step-by-step guide to creating and implementing a self-directed learning plan. Step 1. Identify your learning goals. Define your goals. Write down 3 specific learning goals. These could be new skills, career paths, or exam preparation. Be detailed. Provide specific examples for each goal. For instance, instead of learn a language, specify learn Spanish. Step 2. Understand your motivation. Why learn? Write down your reason for pursuing each learning goal. Knowing your why will keep you motivated. Examples. Possible reasons include curiosity, career advancement, exam preparation, or personal growth. Step 3. Break down your goals. Smaller steps. Choose one learning goal and break it down into smaller, achievable steps. Self-assessment. Identify what you already know and what you need to learn. List any questions you have. Example. If your goal is carpentry, break it down into steps like learning about wood types, building simple pieces, and marketing your work. Step 4. Create a learning plan. Time allocation. Decide how much time you can dedicate to your learning goal each day, week, and month. Schedule. Create a detailed plan outlining the duration, time, and location for each learning step. Flexibility. Ensure your plan is flexible enough to accommodate other commitments and unexpected events. Step 5. Identify learning resources. Free resources. Explore free resources like YouTube, podcasts, online articles, mentors, and peers. Paid resources. Consider paid resources like books, training courses, coaches, and events. Step 6. Track your progress. 1. Checkpoints. Set regular checkpoints to review your progress and reflect on your learning journey. 2. Feedback. Ask yourself how well you're learning, what worked well, and what challenges you face. 3. Rewards. Celebrate your accomplishments with small rewards to stay motivated and maintain momentum. Step 7. Adapt and adjust. Remember that plans can change. Regularly review your plan and adjust it as needed to reflect your progress and evolving needs.